Hi, today I'm going to show you what undertray does. Aside from just being a component on the car which keeps the aerodynamics down, it also protects the underside of the car from mud splashes. Where's the mud go? Well, it goes into the vehicle, and as you can see, along with corrosive elements, it's all around inside of the vehicle. Now this will corrode with time and cause you problems. Also, it could corrode small cables such as this, causing really awkward faults in that are hard to diagnose. So you can see the mud has got everywhere. We really want this all off, because as it gets wet it will corrode. When it's dry it won't corrode, but when it's wet it will corrode. Also, you have this, you see the little fins on your radiator, and they're really delicate. And see how they just bend really easily. They just move, and this is what keeps the engine cool. Now this is going to be covered in mud as well, and it's aluminium, but aluminium will corrode as well. If it gets iron particles etc from the road, and mud contains iron particles, it's going to corrode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean all this up first, and then I'm going to refit the trays back on. So what do the trays do? Well, it keeps the underside of the car nice and aerodynamic. It protects the metalwork under the car, particularly do you know what? I've just forgotten the word. It will come back to me. It protects the metalwork under the car, the framework, which in the Qashqai corrodes quite a bit, especially the J10s. Corrosion in that area, subframe arm, that's the word I'm looking for. It corrodes very quickly, so it protects that. But first thing is we're going to clean up this, and then I'll refit those trays. So this is reattached. I've got this bit on the outside of the front of the under tray, and it just slides in there, and it's got 5 of these little bolts. Where are they? These little bolts, there, and there, and then over here it's got 2 bolts in the middle, and then we've got these little push clips there, and these are at the back end of and these little plastic clips that go in over there, and that gives you a nice secure fit all the way through. I'm not actually sure if this one's supposed to be going in here, but I've forced one in. It just gives it a little bit more retention, and that is the underbody tray all done. You can see it just there. You can see the way I've done these clips. I'll try and, sorry, it's not a very good view altogether, but it's the best I can do on ramps. Also protects this, it creates a nice sound insulation from the ground as well, so that reduces the engine noise going through into the vehicle. And as you can see, the subframe nice protection with wax oil or whatever your choice of under sealant is.